Welcome to my video on how to create a Picasso head using PicassoHead.com. So if you go to PicassoHead.com in your web browser, it should pull up a website that looks like this. However, sometimes it doesn't look like this. Sometimes it looks like this. And if you see this, 2 advertisements and a line of text, you need to click the Get Flash. Okay, so if you see this red Get Flash, click on it, and then tell it yes, whatever you want to do with the flash, yes, so you can get here. Okay, once you get here, you are going to click Create Your Own Picasso Head here at the bottom. Create your own Picasso head. It will go to picassohead.com/create.html. See, look right here. That's what I'm talking about. Look, this Get Flash thing. I'm going to click on it. I'm clicking on Get Flash. And look, see how this thing pops up? It says, do you want to run Flash? Yes, I'm going to allow it. If it doesn't pop up, you need to reload your page until you get that option to click Get Flash, and it'll reload. Now I'm waiting for it to reload. Initializing. Here we go. Now I recommend you make this a little bigger. If you hit Control plus on your keyboard, you can zoom in. Let's make it a little bigger so it's easier to see, and let's make me a little smaller. That's better. So here's how this thing works. Here's your canvas on the right. Here are your controls. So I'm going to start with a face shape. So I'm going to pick a face shape, and I want one that's a solid color. Now I'm just going to drag it. And then I want it to be bigger. So I'm going to click on it. See how there's a green box around it? Now I'm going to click Scale Up. And I can keep clicking on it until it gets to be the size that I want. Now I want to change the color. So I can give it a skin tone of, let's go with orange. But I also want to put this outline on it. So I'm going to drag this here and put it there. Ooh, look, and it made it bigger. So that's cool. If you drag and drop it on the same shape, it'll automatically make it the same size. But I want it to still be a little bit bigger. So there we go. So now I got my orange head. I got a nose line with a mouth. Now I'm going to click eyes. Now I'm going to mix this up. So I want a couple different eyes. I'm going to put an eye out here. Yeah, that looks cool. Make it bigger. And then I'm going to choose, I'm thinking this eye. This eye's pretty cool. And of course I want that one to be bigger too. Way bigger. That looks kind of cool right there. Now I'm going to click on noses. Oh, don't forget, you can change the color. So if I click on the eye so it's selected, I can change the eye's color as well. So maybe I want this blue. That looks pretty cool. And I can click on this eye. I can change its color. Let's go with dark red. That looks so much better. Now I'm going to pick a nose. Let's go with the, well, I've already got a nose on it, but I'm going to add this. I'm going to combine it. And I'm going to make this a little bigger. Then I'm going to drag it. Yeah, that looks pretty cool. Now let's go to lips. This one's a little funny. I'm going to put the lips right there. Let's go bigger. Let's put them over here. Because Picasso did weird things like that. And now ears. Oh, this is fun. Put this one here. Let's make it really big. Yes. Bigger to hear you with. Here's what's cool. I can flip it if I need to. And I can actually put it behind things or in front of things, which is kind of cool. Let's see, let's do a second ear. Let's do this one. It's facing the same direction. We can keep it small. It can be smaller than the other one. Eyebrows. One up here. And let's put one here. But now it's the same one, so I need to flip it. So I need to click on it so it's green. Flip it. Scale it up. Make it bigger. And honestly, I might move this stuff around because I feel like I should put this ear out here because it's just easier looking that way. And I kind of like the mouth there. That's cool. Hair. Oh, this is fun. Let's go with this one. Click, drag. That's cool. It's like a mohawk, dude. Abstract. This is cool because I can put it. Look what I can do. I can put it here, but then I can change the color. So I'm going to make the color the skin tone, like the orange. And then I'm going to send backward. And if I click that enough, look, it puts it behind the ear. Or I can put it behind the mouth. And we keep going backward. Oh, that looks better. Ha! I don't even want this ear. This ear is going to become its body. That's what I'm going to do. We're going to make it super big. Yes! Signature. Wait, I'm not ready for the signature yet. I want to put this in here. Giving this person a shirt, I think. Yeah. And I'm going to make this green. I'm going to put it behind it. That's cool. Now I'm going to sign it. So I'm going to sign it with my handle, Dan Hughes Artist. Make sure you spell it right. And okay. Okay, this is covering up part of it. So we're just going to move it up, send it backward. There, let's move this up. Better! Yes. And why not? Let's throw something in the background here. Just to decorate the background. We can put a bunch of stuff back here and it will be fun to look at. Your little paper clips. Voila! Very nice. We're not done. We're not done. Don't leave this website or you'll lose it.
He's gone. Gone? What do you mean gone?
You might be tempted to hit this save and email this painting. No, 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 do not. Do not, no, no. Don't hit save this, email this painting. It doesn't work.
Oh no! What are we gonna do? We gotta call somebody.
It'll email me a blank. It'll email you a blank. It just doesn't work. Here's what works. Hit Control, and the little button at the top, it's like a square and two lines. You get a screenshot. So what I would like you to do is take a screenshot of your work. Because that guarantees you have a copy of it. And if you want to get super fancy, you can hit Control-Shift in that button, and it gives you crosshairs, and you can drag them and just screenshot just that part. Isn't that cool? So take a screenshot. Don't hit save email this painting. Do take a screenshot. So how do we turn it in? I'm glad you asked. Go to our classroom, click on classwork, click on our assignment, roll a Picasso or PicassoHead.com, click view assignment, click add or create, choose Google Drive, Let's see if the screenshot's in there. Yes, there it is. Screenshot. Click on the screenshot. Click insert. Let it load and click turn in. That's how you turn in a screenshot of your Picasso head at picassohead.com. Thanks for watching. See how I have the screenshot? That's important. That's my save. That's my record. So it's your like show all windows key. That's important. That's